You talk at me, you don't talk to me. No, you're too sensitive. No, I'm not. Yes, you.
See, this is exactly why we don't want to hang out with our parents because they do things like this. They tell us that we're too sensitive. Let me tell you what I would do in this situation. First, my name's Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections with your family, especially around this time of the year. Now, listen, this is what I would do. I would tell my family member absolutely 100% that I am too sensitive. The way you were talking to me, the way you were handling me doesn't feel good to me. I'm too sensitive to be held or handled the way you want to handle me. Let's fix it right now because if you want to talk to me, you have to change your tone. I want to tell them that in a way that makes sense to them, in a way that they can understand, calm, clear, and concise. We're not fighting over this thing that whether I'm not too sensitive, I don't want to be treated the way you want to treat me. And so I'm going to tell you how I want to be treated. That's it. If you want these skills, I've got a class going on right now, Friends with Family. Check it out.